Okay, I actually just did the problem at the whiteboard. I'll have to delete the video though, because what happened is I copied the wrong problem from Wells's text. And I'll tell you what the correct problem is. This needs to be corrected over here, and this needs to be corrected over here. So the 2j is actually just j, so it's not 2j, it's j, and this 4 should be 3. All right, so I'm going to do the whiteboard, and I'm going to do the problem. So an, let me push this up a bit. An is 1 over 1 plus x to the n. An plus 1 is 1 over 1 plus x to the n plus 1. An plus 1 over an, well, it's going to be 1 plus x to the n plus 1. And then I'm dividing by an, or multiplying by its reciprocal, so this would be 1 plus x to the n. Now I'm going to do something that might seem wacky to you, but I'm going to divide top and bottom by x to the n. And the bottom would be 1 over x to the n plus x. Now I'm going to do limit as n goes to infinity, absolute value. And that looks relatively simple to do, by the way. What are you going to get? You're going to get this over here. All right? So I want to solve that inequality, which doesn't look too bad to do. And I'm going to say x would have to be, well, let me go through this over here, because it's, well, maybe I could just do this over here. All right, let me get my eraser out. And let me erase this over here. And that's pretty simple to do too, isn't it? So over here and over there. All right, what do you have to do? You have to also test the endpoints. And let me make sure I can do that. I think I can. So if you chose x to be 1, well, the terms would be a half. So over here, the terms would look like this, the sum, 1/2, clearly divergent. And if you did this minus 1, it would be undefined, all right, undefined, all right, undefined here. So we end up with convergence minus infinity up to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. By the way, I put a note in my key saying that I believe Wells was only considering positive numbers for x in this case over here. But anyway, answer stands. Thank you.